Hello everyone. So we are going to start by taking our pack of yeast and we're going to cut it open. After we've cut it open, we are going to pour it into our warm water and stir it until it has become silky smooth. After it's become silky smooth, we are going to set it to the side and let it froth for 5 minutes. We will pour our flour into a bowl, and when our 5 minutes are done, we'll add our frothy yeast into it. Using our hand, we will mix the liquid into the flour. Next, we will get 1 egg and crack it into the mixture. Make sure you crack the egg on the correct side of the bowl so you don't end up making a mess like I do. Now we will add in our 1 tablespoon of butter, and I will use my thumb because I don't feel like going and getting utensils. Now we can begin to knead our dough for 5 minutes or until it has become smooth. If the dough is too dry, you can add in a sploosh of water, and if need be, you can add in a second sploosh of water. And then you can begin to knead the dough again. If you still feel like the dough is too dry, go ahead and add a third sploosh of water. And then continue to knead the dough until it becomes smooth. And now that our dough has become smooth, we will get some plastic wrap and we will lightly wrap the bowl. When we're done wrapping our bowl of dough, we will take it and leave it in a warm spot for 60 to 90 minutes so that it can rise and double in size. Our dough should now be doubled in size, so now we can go ahead and unwrap the bowl. After unwrapping the bowl, we will place it to the side as we now knead our pan. We will pull off a chunk of dough and begin to roll it into a ball shape. Our dough ball should be about the same size as a golf ball. We should get about 16 dough balls in total. Using superhuman speed, we will quickly roll all 16 dough balls. When we are done rolling all of our dough balls, we will move our pan to the side so we can cut up the cheese. Remember to do this on a cutting board. I forgot myself and ended up making a cheese mess, but that's okay. We will cut 16 cheese cubes so that each one is nice and cheesy inside. After we're done cutting the cheese, we will bring back our pan of dough and we will pick one up and proceed to flatten it like a pancake so we can stuff it with cheese. After placing a cube of cheese in the center of the flattened dough ball, we will pull the sides up and pinch them together. After the sides are pinched together, we will give the dough ball a little bit of a roll in our hands to give it a ball shape again. We will repeat this process until we've stuffed all 16 dough balls with cheese. We can use our superhuman speed again to make this process go fast. We will stuff our final dough ball with cheese and feel happy that it's almost time to put these in the oven. If you want, you can try to make the final dough ball look like a star, like I am doing. But if you don't want to, that's okay. You can make your Christmas tree look like however you want. I will also try to make the dough ball that is at the very bottom try to look more like a stump. If you want to do that too, you can. Now that our Christmas tree is looking like the way we want it to, we will make sure the dough balls have a little space in between each other, as they will grow in the oven and we don't want them to overgrow onto each other. We will grab our plastic wrap again and lightly wrap the tray, and then place it on top of the oven while the oven preheats so that the dough can rise a little bit. While we wait, we will prepare our egg wash. We will crack 1 egg into the bowl. We will add in a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and lastly 1 teaspoon of chopped parsley. Now we will grab our brush and stir it all together thoroughly. Make sure to get any spices that get on the side of the bowl back into the egg wash. After the egg wash is thoroughly stirred together, we will put it to the side as we go and grab our Christmas tree. We will unwrap our Christmas tree, and if any of the dough balls have opened, we will pinch them closed again. After we are done closing our dough balls again, we will apply our egg wash. We will apply a decent amount of egg wash to each dough ball so that they all have a good amount of spices on them. When we are done applying our egg wash, we will put our Christmas tree into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until it is golden. And finally, our Christmas tree is done. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you enjoy your cheesy garlic Christmas tree. Don't forget to like the video and maybe leave a little comment. But most importantly, subscribe for more. Happy holidays, everyone.